Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my new video. Today, I want to share something. It is very helpful. In this video, I will show you simple steps. These steps are very easy. Anyone can follow them. So, stay with me till the end. I live in a small town. Many people here want to learn English. They often ask me, how can I learn English fast? Some think it is very hard, but that is not true. You just need the right way to learn. You must practice every single day. You must follow some simple steps. If you do this, you will improve quickly. The first step is practice. Practice makes everything better. When you practice every day, your mind becomes stronger. Try to speak a little English daily. Don't think you always need someone to talk to. You can do it by yourself. You can do it right at home. This method is called self-talk. Self-talk is very easy. You just speak about what you are doing. For example, say, I am getting up now. Say, I am brushing my teeth. Say, I am cooking food. Say, I am going to school. These short sentences will train your brain to think in English. It may feel strange in the beginning, but it will help you a lot. If you do this daily, your English will grow step by step. The second step is listening. Listening is very powerful. When you listen, you learn the real sound of English. You learn the flow of speech. You learn how words are said naturally. So make listening a habit. You can listen to English songs. You can listen to English news. You can watch short English videos on YouTube. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. This is normal. Just keep listening again and again. Slowly, your ears will catch more words. You will start to understand better every day.
Think about how a baby learns. A baby listens to their parents before speaking. The baby doesn't understand all the words at first, but they listen daily. Slowly, they start to speak. You can learn English in the same way. Listen more and you will speak better. The third step is reading. Reading is very helpful. It gives you new words. It shows you how sentences are made. Start with small stories. Read short and easy articles. Don't start with difficult books. If the words are too hard, you will lose interest. So choose easy materials first. When you read, try to read out loud. Don't always read silently. Reading out loud will improve your speaking. Your mouth will get used to English words. Your tongue will move naturally. Slowly, your pronunciation will become clear. Reading also increases your vocabulary. You will learn new words and remember them easily. The fourth step is writing. Writing is very important. It helps you make your English clear and correct. Start with small steps. Write a few lines every day. You can write about your daily life. For example, write, today I woke up early. I went to school. I met my friend. You can also write about tomorrow. For example, tomorrow I will visit my uncle. I will study English. I will play football. Writing helps your mind think in English. It helps you use new words correctly. It makes your grammar stronger. When you write every day, your English improves very fast. Now let me tell you a secret. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Many people feel shy because they think they will say something wrong. But mistakes are a part of learning. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. So speak, listen, read, and write without fear. Also remember one golden rule. Repeat. Repetition is the key to success. If you repeat, you will remember. If you stop, you will forget. So, repeat words, repeat sentences, repeat your practice daily. This will make English a natural part of your life.
Another great tip is to enjoy learning. Don't treat English like a difficult subject. Learn with fun. Watch your favorite movies in English. Listen to songs you love. Read stories that make you happy. Write about things you like. If you enjoy learning, you will improve faster. Step by step, your English will get better. At first, you may know only a few words. Later, you will know many. At first, you may speak slowly. Later, you will speak faster. At first, you may feel shy, but soon you will feel confident. Confidence is very important. When you are confident, people listen to you. Confidence makes your voice strong. It makes your English sound better. You can build confidence by practicing every day. Speak even if you make mistakes. Smile while you speak. Enjoy every moment of learning. If you follow these steps, you will learn English quickly. You will understand more. You will speak better. You will read easily. You will write clearly. And one day, you will proudly say, "Yes, I did it." So, remember the 4 steps. Speak daily, listen daily, read daily, write daily. These steps are simple but powerful. If you follow them every day, you will see great results. English is not far away. It is close to you. It is waiting for you. You just need time. You just need practice. You just need patience. If you give these 3 things, success will be yours. Start today. Speak 1 sentence. Listen for 5 minutes. Read 1 page. Write 3 lines. Do this every day. Slowly, you will improve. Slowly, you will feel confident. And soon, you will speak English easily, fluently, and confidently. My dear friends, learning English doesn't have to be difficult. You just need a little effort every day. Try to use English in your daily life. When you speak, listen, read, or write. The more you use it, the faster you'll improve. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake helps you get better. Stay positive, keep practicing, and never give up. Thank you so much for being with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More easy English learning videos are coming soon. See you in the next one.